Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call, just a quick mail call for you today. The silly job title for today is Voltage Virtuoso. Today I'm the Voltage Virtuoso, and we're going to be looking at a very small bag of things that have arrived from Amazon and a great big pumping bag of things which have arrived from China. So let's pop over to the bench and see what we've got. Before we take you over to the bench, I need to report in. I just recorded this whole video with no microphone turned on. So I've taken everything out of the box and you can't put the toothpaste back in the tube. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to time lapse me opening the various equipment that's arrived today, and I'll tell you about it with some captions. I'll put up some title clips to show you. I'll just tell you what the particular things are, and if you're interested in any of it, it's all linked. It will all be linked in the show notes. So yeah, sorry about that. Recorded the video without sound. Anyway, let's have a look at what's happening. And that's a wrap. So yes, please see the show notes for links to the things that arrived today. Sorry I recorded the thing with no sound. It was actually the reason for the no sound business was that I've rearranged the cameras here, and I've got this extra camera here now called the power cam, which will give us the whole view on the bench. In fact, I'll pop you over there now and I'll show you here on the bench. And if I just press this button here, this is the other view of the bench. This is me over here, hi. And now you can see up the back there, you can see my power supplies and multimeters and this part of the bench. And you can even see all the way up the back here, up here as well. I've cleared a space here. You can't really tell. There's a clear space just here. I'm hoping to get a new hot air gun, a really good one. But I have to save my pennies for that. Anyway, that concludes this video. So have a great day. Also, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.